Welcome back to another ShopMissA review. Matte eyeshadow. This is a matte eyeshadow pencil. Basically, it's just a cream eyeshadow. This is number 7. It's an orange one, kind of peachy coral. Lots of the people that reviewed this said they were using this as a under eye concealer, and honestly, it is perfect shade for that. I got this because I wear a lot of peach and coral shades in the summer especially, and I thought this would be a good addition as a secondary base to use with those shadows. This is just a nice cream eyeshadow pencil. It actually glides on and has great pigmentation, and it blends out very nicely. Next up, we have the Kleancolor Keepsake Kiss Lip Tint. Yes, this actually is very nice. It's smooth, it glides on glossy, it's a glossy tint. This is not sticky at all. It's actually very comfortable on the lips. I am in love with this actually. It has a nice watermelon scent, but unfortunately it's not long wearing. It's literally just a tinted gloss, so it does move around. It comes off very easily, but it's in a beautiful shade. This shade is called Ballerina, and it's perfect for summer, really. It's a bright kind of pinkish watermelon-y kind of color actually, and it's just perfect. Next up, I have the Amuse cosmetic eyeshadow palette in lustrous metals, and all 6 eyeshadows, and these are pretty big pans of eyeshadows, are a metallic metal finish, and that they are very pigmented. Of course, there's a little bit of powderness, a little bit of chunkiness. They are metallic. They blend out nicely, they apply nicely. The only issue I had was the silver kind of started getting that kind of hard layer on top, so I had to take and scrape that a little bit away. These are to use dry, but when I use metallic eyeshadows, sometimes I will get the product on my brush and spray it with a setting spray and use them wet as well, and it just looks amazing. Get the most amazing finish. These are super pigmented. You'll see from the swatches, like, they're not over any eyeshadow base or anything like that. They're just that pigmented. Like, one little swipes. Like, I mean, they are just very nice for $1. So I do want to talk about the 2 brushes that I bought. So I did get E122. This is a repurchase brush for me, and honestly, I really love this brush. I thought it was small and compact. It's great for those who have small eyelids or small eye space in general. And this one, though, is slightly wider than the original one that when they first came out. These are both E122 here. This is the one that I have from when they first came out, and this is the one I ordered offline. So you can see it's slightly longer. It is wider. It's more fluffier and flexible than the first edition here, and the handles are slightly shorter on the new one. I just wanted to point that out. It still makes a great brush. This is great for applying and packing on color, and I mean seriously packing on. And this brush here eliminates a lot of fallout. They're just great brushes in general. I highly recommend the E122, and all their brushes with this right here are black plastic handles with the silver hardware. And then the next brush I have is the F16, and this is a concealer brush, and this one also soft, flexible. Also want to mention these clean up great, dry quickly. I mean, they're really nice brushes, and I've not had any fallout with the hair issues, so they're great. Now this one is soft, flexible, and it makes it really nice to blend out your concealer, and this is firm enough to place the product under your eyebrow, because this is what I got this for. This would be also perfect for spot concealing as well, but I got it for my eyebrows. So it's firm enough to place product under your eyebrows like a concealer. Even use this light brush or this concealer brush to highlight with your eyebrow area as well. But yeah, it is soft enough to blend that product out. Very nice brush, and I think it's perfect for perfecting your brows. I have the AOA Studio Oval Sponge. Yes, this is dirty. I did not clean this for the video. I've used it a couple times now, and yes, it's just a black oval sponge, and I believe at the time right now they only have black available, and which is great. I mean, it's fun. You can use the sponge wet or dry, but they do recommend using it wet to blend out your foundation very nicely for easier blending, basically. It is super soft. It's absorbent. Like, this is it not wet, and when it's wet it covers my entire palm. This is great for blending out foundation or placing your powders. I love it already. I've only used it 2 or 3 times actually now, and I already really have been enjoying it. It does not absorb your product, so you're not wasting your makeup. Literally the product, your foundation will sit on top of it, and see, and then you can apply it to your skin, blend it out, pat it in, whatever you want to do. I do like the oval design. It's a bit different than most of the beauty sponges out there right now. I really have enjoyed it. It does work great. It's soft. I have the AOA Studio Brush Cleaner, and this is a nice compact plastic case with a soft but coarse and firm sponge for removing eyeshadow product from your brushes. Or you can use it to remove blush, contour powders, powder in general, whatever kind of powder you want to remove from your brushes, you can use this to do so. This actually works really great. It's gentle on your brushes, and it is extremely easy to clean. So you literally just pop it out of the container like that, go wash it off like you'd wash your regular brushes. It dries super quick, so you can pop it right back into the case and continue to clean your brushes. It just takes the product right out of your brush. It's easy to use, and I do definitely recommend this product here. It's very nice for those just you only want to use 1 or 2 brushes, and it makes for easy product clean out, and you can move on to your next eyeshadow. It's great. I do have another Wonder Brow pomade to talk about. This one is in caramel, and it's a shade lighter than the medium brown that I already own. I love both of these shades. They actually both work really great for my brow shade, and it's summertime. I just wanted to go a bit lighter in the brows. These are, I've already reviewed them entirely, but they're super creamy. They're pigmented. They're easy to work with, but they do dry and set quickly. They last all day. They do not budge. This is also highly recommend their brow pomade. The Princessa eyeshadow pearl powder. This was a number 28. It's just a shimmery pink powder. It's a loose eyeshadow. Of course, it's super shimmery. It's fallout prone, all that stuff. But it's actually really pretty. Next product is the Kleancolor Paris Escape 2-in-1 Lip and Cheek Balm. Now this product is, like it suggests, is like a balm, and this is not coming off true to color on camera at all. But I wanted to point out, this is a very creamy pigmented product. It really is. And when you apply it, it does dry like a powder. Some might be a little intimidated by this particular shade. It is Dusk Rose. But what I mean by that is it's like a light pink, but it has purple, like a very potent purple undertone to it. And this shade's not going to be for everybody. I think this is going to look best on lighter tone skin. And I really like this particular product. I think it's really great, and I love that it dries to a powder, and overall it's nice. Next I have the Kleancolor Madly Matte Lipstick. This one is in Slate. So yes, it is a gray shade. I've been wanting a gray lipstick for a long time now. This is perfect for what I need. It is matte. It's comfortable on the lips. The scent though, it's kind of like a crayon scent, or like a regular old cheapy kind of makeup smell. But besides that, I like it. It's a very nice gray. It's buildable. It lasts a long time on your lips, and it is matte. but a comfortable matte, so that's good. Also from Kleancolor, I have the Master Stroke Long Wear Satin Lipstick in number 2, Sweet. And it's a pink shade. It's like a nude pink shade, but it's also kind of when it goes on, because it's not really true to color right now on the camera. There it is. It's kind of bright pink looking here, but when it goes on, it's like a baby milky pink. Yes, so this shade might not be for everybody. It's actually really nice and comfortable on the lips, and it is a satin matte lipstick. So it's not an entirely matte lipstick. It's more along the lines of a creamy matte or just a creamy lipstick. But overall, I think in the future, I would definitely purchase more of the Madly Matte lipsticks and the Master Strokes because they're really nice formulas. Last, I have the Kleancolor Madly Matte Lip Gloss. This is a matte lip gloss. This is a cross between a bright purple and a darker purple. It's beautiful. It's a grape shade. It's the perfect grape shade. This one has a slight kind of grape scent to it, and is like most of those matte lip glosses, unfortunately. When it does start to dry matte, like it glides on very nice, super pigmented, glossy. If this was a gloss by itself and not a matte, like I think it would be perfect. But because it does have that matte feature in it, when it does start to dry down matte, it gets super sticky on your lips. Not entirely like uncomfortable, but if you have an issue with sticky glosses, matte glosses in general, you might not like this one. But honestly, I will look past that because the color is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this product also is long wearing. It will not budge until you start like eating and drinking, like most times. But honestly, if you want to remove it before then, you need to pick up some of these AOA Studio Lip Makeup Remover Pads. These are amazing. You get 30 for $1. You have to remove this with an oil-based remover. It will not budge. It won't come off with regular makeup remover. I just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. So you may want to, if you're going to pick up one of those lip glosses, definitely pick up a package of these as well. Or you can use vitamin E to remove them. Last, for the AOA Studio stuff, I have the Wonder Liquid Eyeliner. Yes, I couldn't wait to try this. It's 0.17 fluid ounces. It's kind of small, but a regular kind of size for a cheap dollar eyeliner. It's black. It's super black, actually. It is a very nice formula. It has a thin brush. Super thin. Not felt, a brush. It does have a kind of strong chemically smell, to be honest, and the scent is kind of loud, so it does kind of burn my eyes when I put it on, but not to the point where it's uncomfortable and that I don't want to use it, but it's just because of that strong scent. I've used this a few times now. It does dry quickly, dries matte as well. It lasts all day. I've had no flaking issues. It's a fantastic eyeliner, a great quality for $1. I do recommend trying these out. They had a black and a brown when I ordered, and now they have a whole line of metallics. So I'm definitely going to be picking up some of the metallics soon to review for you guys as well. But for now, I have the black, and I'm loving the formula. I wish that it wasn't such a strong scent though. But overall, I do recommend this eyeliner. You guys need to try it if you're looking for a cheap, affordable, but fantastic eyeliner. It works great at winged eyeliner, regular eyeliner, and because it has a thin brush, you can do thicker lines, very thin lines, whatever you want with this particular eyeliner. So it's perfect. But yes, that's all for this entire ShopMissA review, and I hope you found it helpful. Check out some of these products for yourself. Let me know if you have any other comments or questions in the comments below, and check the description box for lots of additional ShopMissA videos. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already.